Hey everyone, are you ready to transform your classroom management game? Today I'm sharing some essential hacks that every teacher needs to create a well-managed and engaging learning environment. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, these tips will help you foster a positive atmosphere where students can thrive. Let's dive in. First up, establishing clear classroom rules and expectations. The key here is consistency. Consistency in enforcing rules helps students understand boundaries and what is expected of them. Set your rules from day one and stick to them. This sets a standard and helps in maintaining order. Make sure your students understand what's expected of them and why. Explain the reasons behind each rule to foster a sense of responsibility. This clarity helps reduce confusion and sets a positive tone for the rest of the year. When students know the rules, they are more likely to follow them. Next, let's talk about positive reinforcement and behavior management techniques. Recognize and reward good behavior more than you punish bad behavior. Positive reinforcement encourages students to repeat desirable actions. Use a system like a sticker chart or a point system to motivate your students. These visual aids can be very effective in tracking and rewarding progress. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small. Acknowledging even minor achievements can boost a student's confidence and motivation. Trust me, a little positivity goes a long way. It creates a supportive environment where students feel valued. Now, creating a structured yet flexible daily routine is crucial. Kids thrive on routine, but they also need a bit of flexibility to keep things interesting. A predictable schedule helps students feel secure, but occasional changes can keep them engaged. Start with a clear agenda for the day, but be ready to adapt if something isn't working. Flexibility allows you to respond to the needs of your students in real time. This balance helps keep your class focused and engaged. When students know what to expect, they are more likely to stay on task. Managing transitions and minimizing disruptions is another key area. Transitions can be tricky, but with a few simple strategies, you can make them smooth and efficient. Plan your transitions carefully to avoid chaos. Use signals like clapping or ringing a bell to grab students' attention quickly. These signals can help you regain control of the classroom swiftly. Give them clear instructions on what to do next and keep things moving. Clear directions help students transition smoothly from one activity to another. Finally, handling challenging student behaviors effectively. Stay calm and don't take it personally. Maintaining your composure is crucial in de-escalating situations. Address issues privately whenever possible and focus on finding solutions rather than placing blame. This approach helps in resolving conflicts without embarrassing the student. Remember, every student is different and may need different approaches. Tailor your strategies to meet the individual needs of your students. A well-managed classroom fosters student engagement, reduces disruptions, and enhances learning outcomes. Effective classroom management is the foundation of a successful learning environment. By implementing these hacks, you'll create a positive and productive learning environment for your students. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more teaching tips. See you next time.